Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Kunal Nigam, Head of Department for ENT, Voice Disorders and Head and Neck Surgery. Today I'm going to talk about a patient from Ethiopia. He's 45 years of age. He has a complaint of change of voice. He has a lot of breathy voice since 4 years because he underwent a history of trauma to his neck, and since then he's having these problems. When he came to us under evaluation, we found out he had a right vocal cord palsy. He even had a cricoid cartilage fracture and had come for a solution to us. Now, and he also had a cyst in the right vocal cord.
My name is Yonas Getachew. My profession is artist. I came from Ethiopia. I got a problem before 4 years ago. The gamblers hanging my neck, and I can't working my professional theater or any movie. I stopped my working.
So we advised him surgery for injection laryngoplasty, also thyroplasty, and we did a coblation assisted right vocal cord cyst excision.
After 4 years, I came in India at Sanar Hospital. I never see before in my life Dr. Kunal. It is not express any words. He's the most and the best and the perfect doctor. Now I'm fine. I'm so feel good. I think he told me, Dr. Kunal, after 1 month, you're perfect your vocal cords. I believe you. I believe him. I'm not express. I'm so satisfied.
Now, the surgery went very nice. We could see a huge difference in improvement of the patient's voice. Most importantly, the patient is satisfied with the voice. We have advised the patient for a speech therapy which will only enhance and make stronger his voice. I'm glad that such surgeries are being performed at this hospital, and the results are very satisfactory to us and also to the patient. Looking forward for such more challenges. Thank you very much.